have the pleasure now to be joined with Her Excellency Soha Al Fawar, Ambassador of Egypt to Al Bahrain. Welcome on ITV.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
We're expecting His Majesty King of Bahrain tomorrow. Can you please talk to us about this visit?
It is a very critical visit, actually, a very important visit, and this is amply reflected in the number of the delegation. And in the actually, there is almost 7 or 8 ministers coming. So it's a genuine desire to improve relations in all aspects and on all scales. And I am very impressed by the number of the business people coming to join Egypt in joint ventures and to investigate the possibilities and the potentials.
And what about the bilateral relationship between the two countries?
It is historical. It's beyond even my ability to express. The two countries they complement one another. Socially, economically, they are very much well connected to one another. And they usually speak of Egypt as being the first country that helped them to learn and helped them, and most of the Egyptians did teach in Bahrain. So it is a historic relationship. And the attempt and the aim of this visit is to put it into effect, in the sense of that our economies has to be complemented. So the historical relations ought to be reflected into something more tangible that helps the both countries to interact and to interchange the relationships.
And can you talk to us more about the schedule of the 2 days?
His Majesty is arriving tomorrow, actually, and he's meeting most of the dignitaries in our countries, starting with His Excellency the President, and then afterwards he's joining in a number of activities that implicate his visit to the Al-Azhar and his visit to other places as well. So it's an all-encompassing kind of visit in which he would like to visit the new Egypt after the revolution. And let me emphasize the point, this is his first bilateral visit, though he had been to Egypt several times before in several occasions. Whenever we had something going on, like for instance the economic conference, he was there with us. The celebrations for the Suez Canal, he was there with us. He was in most of the events, part of our celebrations. But this is his first bilateral visit to Egypt.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for your time. Thank you for joining us on ITV.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure. Thank you.